People are normally very confused when they come to us, and we very regularly use the terminology in Theta Healing that do I have the permission to download or instill these feelings into you? And they wonder that what is the new program or the app you are going to download on the phone? And they start looking around and said, what download are you talking about? And we are talking about the human download. We are not talking about the apps. So honestly, it is exactly like your any another app. What happens is many times our body has not experienced a particular feeling. And when I have not experienced anything, my body can't produce those chemicals or hormones to assist me to be able to attract or manifest something. To make it sound simpler, I'll give you an example. For example, you have never eaten a mango, and if somebody will ask you that how does a mango feel? So your answer normally would be that, oh, mango is a fruit. It is little orangish in color, it is little sweet or little sour, and it is good. But if somebody actually is one who is really has eaten mango many times and really loves to eat mango, and if you ask that person, oh, have you eaten that Alfonso mango? And their answer will be, Alfonso mango, you don't know how it is. Like, you just eat it. It is the king of the mangoes. You should not eat any other mango. When you put it in your mouth, it melts and it tastes superb and it's sweet, but it has the right amount of the sweetness and the sourness. Like, there are times people describe cake, they describe sweets, and they start having saliva. Oh wow, this cake, it would just melt in your mouth. So when I'm describing something from my experience, it is so different than when I'm describing it without experiencing it. That it is the same difference. Something which my experience is talking about has a very strong power to create chemical changes in my body, and that's what happens with us all the time. We think about the negative experience and our body starts producing the stress hormones. We are even thinking about the positive experiences and body starts producing the happiness hormones. So download is something where you can instill a new feeling in a person, new experience in a person without them going through it, which they have never ever experienced. I will give you an example of a download, how it sounds and what it feels like. So for example, I want to teach a person what success feels like. The person is come to me as a client, is working hard, and even then they are not being able to make good money out of it, or they don't feel they are successful. Now, success itself is very relative, like it is different for different people. Maybe the way in which I would define success can be very different from somebody. For somebody, success can be the increment of 500 rupees. For somebody, it can be writing a book. For somebody, the name. For somebody, a very good meditation, right? So when I have to instill a general download for the person would be that, would you like to know what it feels like to have success in your life? Through Creator's definition and perspective of the seventh plane of Creator of all that is. You know how to be successful, when to be successful. It is safe for you to be successful. It's possible for you to be successful. You're deserving of experiences success, and it's possible for you to live your daily life with success. Into every part of your body, at all areas of your life, at all the four levels of your belief work, for your highest and best, in your highest and best possible way. And then we do a particular process and instill that feeling. Now, does it really work? In my experience, these downloads are miraculous because it suddenly opens up a part of you you allow yourself to experience it, because now you are experiencing it from the divine's perspective, not your definition. And the divine believes in giving in abundance. So the divine comes from the most purest form. And I have experienced these downloads changing realities for people. It has changed the money equations for people. It has changed the physical diseases. It has changed the major disorders for people. And it can be something related to education, relationship, you name it, and it has changed it.